everybody? I'm Master Saurabh, founder of Kiosk. Karma is the only way to success, where you can get high quality videos every Saturday or Sunday. So do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I always upload short useful yoga videos there. So you can get the link in the description box or you can see the name on the screen. I know during pandemic everything is shut down like fitness center, yoga center and many more. That's why I start this channel to reach you and help you through my video content and encourage you to fight against coronavirus because we are one. We are an union. I don't know how many of you watching this video. Please I request you share this video with your friends and family member to help them to be healthy and stay at home during pandemic. Today the content is about Vinyasa Flow Yoga from basic to intermediate level. So take the mat and practice with me. Just don't watch this video. Take an action. So let's get to the practical lesson. Inhale. 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 Now relax. Rub your palms. Try to make your palms warm. Close your eyes. Now place your palms on your eyes. Slowly. Don't scratch your eyeball. Try to feel warmness of palms on your face. Slowly place your palms in front of your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palms. Now, namaste. Start now. Make your legs wider. Okay, now start. Interlock your finger and pull more there. Inhale, raise your hands up and stretch out. Look front. And exhale, place your hands down. There. Inhale, raise your hands up. Stretch up more as much as possible. And exhale, down. Then inhale, raise your hands up. Stretch up. And exhale, down. Now final hands. Then inhale, stretch your hands up and hold. 6, keep your breathing normal. 5, stretch up if you can. 4, 3, 2 and 1 more. Exhale, keep your hands down and relax your hands. Now start rotation. Okay, place your hands here and now start rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and opposite. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax your hands. Now start twisting. So first, interlock your finger and move your hands like this. Now start twisting. Take breath. Inhale and exhale. Now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now then hold. Okay, interlock and push your palms back. Now take an inhale and exhale. Twist your left side now. 6. Look at your palm. 5. Don't push your hip back. 4. Keep your breathing normal. 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale and exhale. Opposite direction now. Look at your palms now. 6. Keep your both knees straight. 5. Keep your elbows straight. 4. Keep your spine straight. 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale and exhale. Place your hands down. Now relax your hands. Now start hip rotation. Okay, place your hands on your waist. Like this. Look at my hands. Here. Okay. And make your legs parallel to the hip. Now push your hip forward and twist. 1, 2, 3. If you can, so push your hip forward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and opposite. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now look front. Okay, same. Make your legs parallel and now interlock your finger and stretch up. Now start side bend. Take breath. Inhale, pull your hands up and exhale. Bend your left side and look up. Inhale, exhale, same bend, right. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale, exhale, same, right. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, left. Inhale, exhale, right. Now final times. Inhale and exhale. Bend your left side. Now hold. 6. Push your hip forward. 5. Keep your both elbows straight. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale and exhale. So bend your right side. Now hold. 6. Keep your breathing normal. 5. Try to push your body down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale and exhale. Slowly put your hands down. Now relax your shoulder. Okay, now start back bending. First what you have to do, if you cannot, so place your palms on your waist like this. Okay, but if you can, so you can cross your hands like this. Okay, and then catch your arm or elbow here like this. Okay, and place your hands on your spine, on your lower back, not your upper back. Okay, now start movement. Same. Take breath. Inhale and exhale. Push your hip forward. Look back. Then inhale. Make your legs parallel to the hip. And exhale slowly down and relax your shoulder if you can. So move your shoulder farther. Now inhale and exhale. Open your shoulder. Push your hip forward. Look back. Inhale, exhale, front. Inhale, exhale, back. Open your chest and look at your back side. Inhale, exhale, front. Now final times. Inhale and exhale, back now. Inhale and exhale, front. Now then, inhale. So look front. Okay, then open your hands. Okay, now relax your hand. Now this time, okay, we hold the posture. So what you have to do, if you cannot, so place your hands on your waist. But if you can, so place your hands on your thigh muscle, okay, hamstring muscle, without bend your knee. Now, so make your legs parallel to the hip, okay, and then inhale, raise your hands up, and exhale, place your hands behind your back, okay, put on your thigh muscle, and then slowly down, look at your back side, look up, now 6, push your hip forward, 5, keep your both knees straight, 4, open your chest, 3, 2 and 1, now inhale, raise your hands up, and exhale slowly, front, okay, so catch your ankle, push your elbow inside, keep your spine straight and look back, now hold, 6, keep your both knees straight, 5, stretch more, 4, 3, 2 and 1, now inhale, same, look front, okay, and then relax. Now, make your legs wider, okay, we will do shoulder movement, same like this, okay, make your feet inside, not outside, like, okay, inside, and place your hands behind your back and interlock your finger. Now start movement, take breathe, inhale, and exhale, move your body left side, and slowly down, open your hands, like this. Now, inhale, and exhale, move your body right side, now stretch down, inhale, exhale, same, left, down, inhale, exhale, same, right, down more, now 2 times more, inhale, and exhale, move your left side, open up your shoulder, final times, inhale, and exhale, move your right side, now hold, 6, open your shoulder as much as possible, 5, keep your spine straight, 4, 3, 2 and 1, now inhale, same, and exhale, move your left side, slowly down and hold, 6, 5, suck your belly in, 4, open your shoulder, 3, 2 and 1, now inhale, and exhale, open your hands and relax your hands and legs together. Now start movement, okay, knee movement. So interlock your finger, place your hands behind your head. Now take breathe, inhale, so move your right foot right side, and exhale, bend, look front, okay, your right leg should be 90 degrees, now look front, inhale, up, and exhale, move your foot left side, bend your knee, slowly down and look front, inhale, exhale, bend your knee right side, look front, keep your spine straight, don't move your body like this, okay, keep your spine straight, inhale, exhale, left, push your hip forward, look front, final times, inhale, exhale, move your body right side, look front, inhale, exhale, bend, now final times, inhale, okay, this final times, first relax your hands, okay, first interlock your finger and place your hands above your head, like this, and then inhale, move your right to right side, okay, make your left leg wider, and exhale, bend your knee, slowly bend your right side, now hold, 6, look front, 5, if you can, so put your anklet on your thigh muscle, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale, up. Same. Move your left foot left side and exhale, bend, then slowly down and look front. Now hold. 6, 5, keep your elbow straight. 4, keep your right knee straight. 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale and exhale, slowly down. Now relax your leg. Relax the hands and leg together. Now start sequence. First, keep your feet together. Okay. Now start sound solution. Then inhale, raise your hands up, palms together. And exhale, place your palms on your chest. And now close your eyes. Keep your breathing normal. And try to concentrate on your breathing. Relax your shoulder. Now 3 times, inhale and exhale. Deeply. Then take breath. Inhale. And exhale through nose. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Final times. Inhale. And exhale. Now relax. Then slowly open your eyes. Start movement. Take breath. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Okay. Move your body. Same left side. Okay. Come. Breathing to the air like edge of the mat. Now take breath. Inhale. And exhale. Slowly move your body forward and look back. Then inhale up. And exhale. Bend your knee. Look front like this. And now exhale slowly down, catch your ankle and keep your elbow together, keep your spine straight. Then look front. Now inhale, catch your ankle and look front. Okay, bend your both knees, place your hands next to your feet and then slowly move your body back. Come to plank pose. Okay, look front, tight your belly muscle and place your legs forward. Now inhale. And exhale, slowly go down. Go to full chaturanga. And then inhale. Up, same. Cobra, lift your knee up. And exhale, slowly lift up your body. Go to downwards facing dog. Head down. Try to put pressure on your shoulder and chest. Then look front. Inhale. Lift your right leg up. And exhale, move your body forward. Drop your heel and foot. Then inhale, raise your hands up and look up. And exhale, place your hands next to your foot. Move your right leg back. Look front, come to plank. Then inhale and exhale, go to chaturanga. Then inhale, up, some cobra, look up. And exhale, slowly up. Head down. Then look front. Inhale, same lift your left leg up and exhale, place your legs front, drop your heel and foot. Then inhale, raise your hands up, look up, keep your right knee straight and exhale, slowly down, place your legs back, look front, keep your spine straight, then inhale and exhale, go to full chaturanga. Now inhale, up. Go to cobra and exhale, same go to downwards facing dog. Same look front, bend your both knee and exhale, slowly move your body forward. Same inhale, look front and exhale, place your hands back, catch your ankle and slowly put your head down. Then inhale, look front, bend your knee, place your hands above your head and exhale. Palms together, go back Now inhale and exhale. Place your palms on your chest. Same. Close your eyes. Relax your breath. Relax your shoulder. Now final times. Then. Now. Slowly open your eyes. Then inhale. Raise your hands up. Exhale up. Okay. Then move your hips forward and look at your back side. Then inhale and exhale. Slowly push your hip back. Chair pose and look front. Keep your spine straight. And slowly back, catch your ankle. Keep your elbow together and keep your spine straight. The head down. Stretching pose. Then look front. Inhale, catch your ankle, look front. And exhale, bend your knee. Place your hands next to your feet. Now inhale and exhale slowly. Back, jump back. Okay, now come to plank pose. Look front. Tight your belly. Then inhale and exhale slowly down chaturanga. Then inhale, look up, keep your both knees straight. And exhale, lift up your hip, go to downwards facing dog. Now this time move your left foot forward. Then inhale, lift your left leg up, look front, and exhale, place your legs in between your hand and drop your right foot down here. Then inhale, raise your hands up. Push your body down. Okay, and then place your right hand behind your right leg. Place your left hand up. Don't push your body. Okay, just open up and look up. Try to put pressure on your spine. Then inhale, raise your hands up. And exhale, slowly put your hands down. Place your legs back. Look front, come to plank. Then inhale and exhale, slowly down chaturanga. Then inhale, up. Look up now, cobra, and exhale, go to downward facing dog. Try to put pressure on your shoulder. Then inhale, lift your right leg up, and exhale, move your legs forward, drop your foot here. Then inhale, raise your hands up, push your hip down, place your left hand back, and right hand up, look up. Then inhale, and exhale, slowly down. Place your legs back, look front, come to plank, then inhale, bend your elbow slowly down, chaturanga, then hip bow, inhale, look up, and exhale, downwards facing dog. Now look front, then inhale, bend your both knee, and exhale, move your legs forward. Okay, catch your ankle. Keep your feet together now, hold in here. Then inhale, look front, bend your knee, place your hands above your head. And then inhale up, palms together, inhale up, and exhale back. Inhale, and exhale, place your palms on your chest. Same. Close your eyes. Keep your breathing normal. Try to concentrate on your breathing. Now, start the sequence. Slowly open your eyes and then take breathe. Now inhale. Okay. Okay, now we'll twist. Okay, then take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Jump side like this. Okay. So make your legs wider. Okay, place your left side. Okay, and right foot forward like this. Okay, now place your hands parallel to the shoulder. Take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Okay, put your finger down. Okay, not your palms. Look at me. Put your finger down here and place your right hand up. Look up now. Hold. 6. Twist your upper back. 5. Push your hip forward. If you cannot, so catch your ankle. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Then pause or exhale. Down. Okay. Place your right foot near your left leg. But if you cannot, so you can catch your ankle simply. Okay, like this. If you can, so put your hands here. Okay, and move your right foot little shoulder, twist. Okay, like this inside, and then twist your upper back. Put pressure on your right hand, and then place your left hand up and hold. 6, 5. Twist your belly. 4. Look up. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, slowly down. Then move your body forward like this. Okay, make your legs parallel and then place your hands behind your back. Interlock your finger. Okay, like this. And put your head down and place your hands. If you can, so open up your shoulder. If you cannot, so up here. Okay, but try. 6. Hold on. 5. If you can, so put your hand down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. And slowly up. Keep your spine straight. Then place your hands. Now. So opposite side. Okay, like this. So place your hands parallel to each other and then take breathe inhale and exhale. Put your right finger on the mat like this and left hand up. Push your hip forward and look up. If you cannot, so catch your ankle like this. Okay, now hold on. 6. Push your hip forward. 5. Look at your palm. 4. Don't squeeze your shoulder. Open up. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then exhale slowly down. Place your hands next to your right foot like this. Here. Okay, and then suck your belly in. Then twist your spine and lift your right hand up. Now hold. 6. Twist your upper back. 5. Look at your palm. 4. Keep your breathing normal. 3, 2 and 1. Then slowly hands down. Then move your body forward. Okay, now this time we will perform head balance. So let me show you. First thing, if you are a beginner, okay, so you can do it like this. Okay, place your hands inside your leg like this and put your head down and hold. Okay, but if you can, so try this one. First place your hands inside your feet and then move your body. Now move your head forward a little bit far, okay, from the hand, and put your hand down and then slowly open up your legs like this and hold on. 6, 5. Make your elbow parallel to shoulder. 4, 90 degree. 3. Keep your both knees straight. 2 and 1. Then slowly down and up. Then inhale, raise your hands up, palms together, put your palms on chest and slowly move front like this. Now start movement. Okay, so this one. First, place your right hand on your waist like this and left leg forward here. First thing, if you cannot, so you can try this one. Okay, but if you can, so catch your big toe and pull your toe, and now if you can, so lift up your leg like this. Like this, now hold. 6, stretch up. 5, look down. 4, pull your leg up. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly bend your left foot. Bend your left leg and put your left foot on your right thigh muscle like this here. Okay, first I'll show you second option. If you cannot, so you can try this one here. Okay, bend your knee, place your hands here, palms together and look at your that side. But if you can, so try this one. Place here, put your legs, push your hip down. Okay, and then place your hands next to your right foot and place your left hand up. Look up now, hold. 6, hold on. 5, look up, push your hip down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly hand down. Okay, then place your foot on your thigh muscle. Okay, move your body and then if you can, so move it slowly, simply down. Place your left foot a bit far from your right, okay, and place your right hand on your right leg, okay, catch your ankle and slowly put your head down. Now hold. 6, stretch it. 5, if you cannot, place your hands here and head down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, look front, move your hands forward and slowly put your leg down like this. Now look front, place your hands next to your feet. Now look front, take breath, inhale, bend your both knee and exhale, move your legs back, like jump back and come to plank pose, like here. Push your shoulder forward. Now take breath, inhale and exhale, go to chaturanga. Then inhale, up, same cobra, look up, and exhale, go to downwards facing dog. Lift up your hip, push more. Same, push more. Then look front, okay. Now start with left leg, take breath. Inhale, lift your left leg up, and exhale, move your left leg forward. Here, and keep your spine straight. Now start bending posture, okay. Same. Make your legs parallel to each other. And then inhale, raise your hands up, interlock your finger, palms together. Okay, so push your hip down. If you can, so lift your hip up. If you cannot, so drop your hip down like this, okay. Now start moving. Take breath, inhale, and exhale, move your body back. And look up now, hold. 6, hold on. 5, keep your both right knee straight. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale and exhale, twist your spine like this. Okay, place your hands on your thigh, palms together, twist your spine and look at your left side now, hold. 6, keep your right knee straight. 5, open up your chest. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly put your hands down. Okay, now move your left foot back a little bit. Now start movement. So first place your this one. Okay, left hand forward and then lift your right leg up. Twist your spine if you can. So lift your right leg or right hand also up. But if you cannot, so you can try a block like this. Okay, put your hands on block. Here it will be far, not closer to each other. Okay, here and then slowly up. Lift your right leg up and then slowly right hand up and hold. 6, 5, twist more. 4, look front. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly down. Okay, now this time place your legs forward here. Move your body and place your hands on your thigh muscle. Then slowly right leg up and then place your hands behind your back. Look front now, hold. 6, keep your knees straight. 5, chest up. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly down. Move your left leg back and bend your knee like this. Okay, now this time I have to move around. Same like left leg forward here. Push your hip down a little bit here. Okay, and look at my legs position, 90 degree, left leg. And place your right leg near, catch your leg by right hand. And then pull your legs near your abdominal. And place your left hand up and hold. But if you cannot, so you can try like this way, here and up. But if you can, so try this way. Move here, place your hands up, now hold. 6, 5, push your hip down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly down. Look front. Okay, now start movement. So place your right hand forward. Okay, and left leg back like this. Okay, go to side plank. Okay, and then put your right foot down. Okay, right foot on the mat and right hand parallel to each other like this. Look front, move your body and bend your knee. Same, catch your knee, look front, now hold. But if you cannot, so you can try like this way. Bend your right knee, place your left leg straight and left hand up and look up. But if you can, so try this way. Here, okay, push your hip forward. After catch, push your hip forward, now hold. 6, look front. 5, point your toe. 4, 3, 2 and 1, okay. Then slowly down, move your body forward. Here, look at your right side. And then make your hands wider, little bit, okay. Parallel to shoulder level, here. And then move your right leg back and keep your left knee straight, here. And then take breath, inhale, lift your leg up like this. Place your left leg on your right foot, here. And then slowly put your chest down and now point your toe, look up and hold, here. But if you cannot, so bend your knees simply down and hold. But if you can, so up here and hold. 6, keep your elbow together. 5, look front. 4, 3, 2 and 1, then slowly down. Place your hands next to your chest and then inhale. Open your chest up, look up and exhale. Go to downwards facing dog. Okay, open your chest like this. And then look front. Now inhale, lift your right leg up. And exhale, right leg forward here. Now keep steady your spine. Same. Both legs should be one line here. Push your spine and look front. Then inhale, raise your hands up, interlock your finger like this. Okay, bend your knee if you can, so lift your knee. If you cannot, so drop your knee. Okay, now start back bending. Take breath, inhale, and exhale, move your body back, look up, now hold. 6, look at your back side. 5, keep your left knee straight. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale, and exhale. Okay, now start twisting. Move your left leg back and right leg forward here. Okay, now lift your heel up and exhale, bend your right knee, place your left hand on your right thigh muscle here. Okay, palms together, put your palms on chest, twist your spine and look at your right side, now hold. 6, keep your left knee straight. 5, twist your upper back. 4, 3, 2 and 1, then slowly down, move your hands forward. Okay, same. Place your both hands forward like here. Okay, if you can, try without block. But if you cannot, so you can try with block. Okay, but move your right foot inside a little bit here. Inside. Okay, so you can easy to balance. And place your hands, move your body. Lift your left leg up. And then slowly left hand up. Now hold. 6, 5. Push your shoulder up. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly down. Now start tree pose. Same. Place your legs here and then open your chest. Interlock. Place your hands on your knee. And then slowly lift your leg up, left leg. Move your hands back, look front, now hold. 6, keep your left knee straight. 5, look front. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Then slowly down. Move your left leg back. Okay. And right leg forward here. Same like this. Your right leg should be 90 degrees. Look at my leg position, should be 90 degrees. Okay, push your chest back. And then bend your left knee, catch your left knee by your left hand. And then slowly move your legs closer to your belly and place your right hand up and look front. But if you cannot, so just simply catch and place your hands above your head. Okay, now start moving. Same. Slowly pull, catch, push your hip down and place your hands above, now hold. 6, 5, look front. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly down. Place your hands here. Okay, look from here. Now start movement. Now watch it from the back side. So this time, place your left hand near the right foot here, and place your left foot here, parallel to the left hands, and slowly lift your right leg up and push your hip forward. Catch here, okay, and look from. But if you cannot, simply drop, keep your knees straight, and right hand up and hold. Okay. But if you can, so try this one. Okay. Now I'll show you from this side. Left hand down, left leg down. Okay. Put your left leg here, and then lift your leg up. Catch your leg by right hand. Push your hip forward and look from. Now hold. 6, 5. Keep your knees straight. 4. Push your body forward. 3, 2 and 1, and slowly down. Move your body forward here. Okay. Now keep your right knee straight. Make your hands wider. Okay. Now start movement. If you cannot, so bend your both knee. Simply put your chest down and hold. But if you can, place your right leg back and left foot up like this, and put your right thigh on your left foot here. Then take breath, inhale and exhale. Slowly put your chest down. Look front, now hold. 6. Make your elbow together. 5. Keep your right knee straight. 4. Point your toe. 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly down. Then look front. Okay. Now this time, interlock your finger. Place your palms behind your head like this here. Okay. But if you have back problem, okay, or shoulder problem, so you can do it like this. Place your hands forward. Make your legs a little wider, okay, parallel to the hip, and look up, now hold. But if you can, so you can try this way. Interlock. Place your hands here, and then slowly lift your chest up and exhale. Feet together, now hold. 6. Look front. 5. Keep your feet together. 4. Open your shoulder. 3, 2 and 1. Then slowly down. Place your hands next to your chest. Then inhale, raise your up, and exhale, go to downward facing dog like this. Look front. Bend your both knee. Now inhale and exhale, slowly move your legs forward. Catch your ankle and slowly head down. Put your head on your shin bone. Then look front. Catch ankle. Now inhale and exhale. Raise your hands up, palms together. And now place your palms on your chest. Close your eyes. Keep your breathing normal. Now 3 times. Inhale and exhale. Okay, deeply. Now check it. Inhale and exhale to nose. Inhale. Exhale through nose. Final times. Inhale and exhale through nose. Now relax. Then slowly open your eyes. Look front. Okay, now start movement, second movement. So what have to do? Make your feet together, then take breath, inhale and exhale, move your right side, and then open your legs like this. Okay, now this time move your right foot, right side. Okay, make your left leg wider like this. Place your hands on shoulder level and take breath, inhale, bend your right knee, place your right hand on your near your right foot. Okay, place your left hand up, push your hip forward. Okay, don't push your hip backward like this. Forward and look up now, hold. 6, look up. Make your shoulder parallel to each other. 4, keep your breathing normal. 3, 2, and 1. Then exhale, slowly put your hands down. Okay, open your legs. And then move your left foot like this. Okay, up. Place your left hand near your right foot like this. Okay, if you cannot, it is far. But if you can, so place here and twist your abdominal. Place your right hand above your head. Look up now, hold. 6, push your hip down. 4, twist your upper back and lower back both. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then slowly down and move your body forward like this. Here. And then look at my hand position. If you can, so place your hands on your back. Okay, and make your palms together. Okay, like this. But if you cannot, simply catch your ankle and put your head down. But if you can, so place your hands on your back and slowly palms together and then slowly head down. Now hold. 6, 5, keep your spine straight. 4, put your head down. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, look front. Then open your hands. Okay, and now straight up. Then inhale. Place your hands on shoulder level. Move your left foot left side like this. Okay, make your legs wider a little bit. And then exhale. Place your left foot on your left side, near your left foot. Okay, and then parallel to each other. And now place your right hand up. Look up now. Hold. 6, push your hip forward. 5, look at your palm. 4, keep your breathing normal. 3, 2, and 1. And exhale, slowly put your hands, right hand down, right heel up. Okay, and bend your left knee. Place your right hand near your left foot like this here. And twist your abdominal. Twist your upper back. Place your left hand up and look up now, hold. 6, 5, push more. 4, keep your breathing normal. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, then slowly down. Okay, look front like this. Now we'll perform stretching posture. Okay, hand balance posture. So first things, if you cannot, so try this one. Place your hands, bend your knee, place your both hands back, push your hip down and look front. Okay, here. But if you can, so place your hands under your knee like this here. Also second hand, okay, here under your knee. Move your body forward, move your legs forward, okay, both legs forward, okay, Konidinilasana. And look front, keep your spine straight, push your hip down like here. And then slowly one leg up and second leg up, look front, now hold. 6, keep your knee straight. 5, tight your knee. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, slowly down. But if you cannot, slowly down here and look front, now hold. Okay, this is third option. And then slowly up. Look front, palms together and jump back here. Okay, now relax your leg. Same. Place your left hand on your left, on your waist. Okay. Move your right foot forward. Catch your toe. Keep your knees straight. If you can, so pull. If you cannot, hold on here. Okay, but look down. Stop. 6, stretch more. 5, keep your spine straight. 4, keep your left knee straight. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, bend your knee. Place your right foot on your left thigh here. And slowly bend your knee. Okay, place your right hand near your here, closer to your left foot. Push your hip down and push your hip up. Okay, look up now, hold. Place your hands. 6, 5, look at your left arm. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, and if you cannot, so try this one here. Okay, now place your hands, look from here. Oh, sorry. Then put your legs on your thigh muscle here, and then suppose, okay, if you cannot do it, keep your both knees straight. But if you can, so try this one. Okay, and then place your right hand little far and place your left hand behind your left leg. Catch your ankle and slowly put your head down. But if you cannot, place your hands next to your feet and head down. Now hold. 6, hold on. 5, keep your spine straight. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, look front. Place your hands forward, open up your legs. Like this, look front here. Okay, place your hands next to your feet and then take breathe. Inhale, bend your both knee. And exhale, move your body forward, jump back, look front. Okay, come to plank pose here. Then inhale and exhale, go to chaturanga. Then inhale, up, same. And exhale, slowly go to downward facing dog. Look back. Now start movement. Okay, start with left leg. Okay. Now start with right leg. Okay. Here. Place your hands here and then inhale. Lift your right leg up. Keep your knee straight and push your hip down. Now hold. 6. Keep your right knee straight. 5. Try to put pressure on your shoulder and chest. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, look front and place your right leg on your right side like this. Okay, look at me here. On your right side like this. Okay, here. Forward, and then what you have to do this time, move your right hand forward and then twist your right here like this here. Okay, twist your right foot. Okay, lift up your heel, twist your belly like this. Keep your knee straight and left leg little far. Place your left hand up and hold. But if you cannot, simply bend your knee and hands up now hold. But if you can, so keep your knee straight like this. Look up now hold. 6, look up. 5, keep your knee straight. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly down. Then move your right leg forward here. Okay, and forward. Then make your legs wider. And then what you have to do? Bend your right knee. Right knee should be 90 degrees. Okay, and left leg wider. Then place your right hand outside and then inside. Okay, like block your right leg by right hand here. Not from in to out. Okay, out to in here. And then interlock your finger. Push your hip forward, look up now, hold. 6. But if you cannot, so simply place your hands here and place your left hand behind your back, look up now, hold. Okay, if you can, try from here. Interlock and now hold. 6. 5, open up your chest. 4, look at your left side. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, slowly down and bend your knee here. Bend your leg like this. Okay, move your legs outside. Okay, never inside, not here. Okay, here. And then place your right hand under your here. Right leg here. Okay. Put your shoulder up, catch your ankle and stretch up. Here, push your body forward and look up now, hold. 6, 5, keep your knees straight. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly bend. Okay, now start hand balance. Okay, look at me here. So first what you have to do, lock your knee with your right arm. Okay, here. And then place your left hand forward. But simple things. If you cannot, so place your legs like this here. Okay, drop your foot. But if you can, so pull inside first and place your hands here. Okay, then move your body forward and lift your leg up, leg back, and second leg also up here. But if you cannot, simply bend your both knee and drop your foot and put your head down like this. Okay, but if you can, so try this one. Here, move your body forward and lift your leg up. Now hold. 6, look front. 5, try to put pressure on your right arm. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly down. Okay, then move your right foot forward and left foot back. Now start back bend. Okay, here. Make your feet flat like this. Push your hip forward. Then inhale, raise your hands up, interlock your finger. And exhale, move your hands back, now roll. 6, look up. 5, push your shoulder. 4, keep your both knees straight. 3, 2 and 1, look front. And slowly put your hands down. Now keep your right knee straight here. But don't push your hip back. Okay, your thigh muscle to hip in one line. Okay, lift your toe up, place your hands next to your thigh and slowly head down and hold like this. Okay, but if you cannot, place your hands here and head down. If you can, slowly down and hold. 6, relax your body. 5, pull your toe. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then look front and now stretch your leg. Okay, side split. But if you cannot, simply bend your right knee. Okay, like this. Bend your knee and hold on. But if you can, keep your knee straight, make your feet flat and twist your thigh muscle. Both legs parallel and raise up your hand, now hold on. 6, look front. 5, keep your both knees straight. 4, tight your both knee. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, slowly down. Move your hands forward. Push your body down, elbow, and then head down, now hold. 6, drop your elbow. 5, 4, straight move. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, look front. Place your hands here. Okay, and now move your right leg back. Keep your feet together. Place your hands here. Okay, make your both feet together. Now side plank here and place your left hand above your head like this. Push your hip up. Now hold on. 6, 5, try to put pressure on your right shoulder. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, but if you cannot, so bend your knee and hold on like this. Now place your hands here. Now start to take breathing hard. Move your body forward and exhale. Lift up your hip here and head down. Okay, now start left leg. Then inhale, look front and exhale. Lift your left leg up, head down, now hold. 6, 5, look front. 4, down xuống. 3, try to put pressure on your shoulder. 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly move your left leg near left side like this. Here. Move your left foot on your left side like this here. Place your left hand, okay, not too far, okay, close a little bit here. And then little bit left leg far. Okay, and then twist your shoulder like this, twist your hip muscle like this. If you cannot, so bend your left knee. If you can, so keep your knee straight and keep your right knee straight. Twist your spine, lift up your right hand, now hold. 6, keep your both knees straight. 5, look at your palm. 4, look up. 3, 2 and 1. Slowly head down, hand down. And then move your left leg forward. Here. Okay. So make your left leg here. Far, a bit. Bend your knee. Okay, left knee. Same position. Place your left hand outside to in. Okay, lock your left knee. Not in to out. Okay, outside here. Push your knee forward. Interlock your finger and look up, now hold. If you cannot, place your hands here. Second hand back. Look up, now hold. Okay, now interlock, push your hip forward, look up, now hold. 6, keep your right knee straight. 5, look up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Then slowly down. And now bend your knee. Okay, same. Bend your knee. Make your legs a little wider. Same things. If you cannot, place your hands here and left hand up, right hand up here. But if you can, place your hands under your leg. Up, catch and lift up your legs. Stretch your shoulder, look up, now hold. 6, 5, twist your upper back. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly down. Okay, now start hand balance. So what you have to do, place your leg on your arm like this. Okay, and second hand here. But if you cannot, make your knee here, put your knee here and put your toe down and slowly simply head down, now hold like this. Okay, but if you can, so make your hands parallel to the shoulder, place your right leg back, 4 and look up, now hold. 6, hold on here. 5, move your body forward. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly down. Okay, and then place your left leg forward and right leg back here. Look front, up, same like parallel to each other, and then 90 degree. Then inhale, raise your hands up, interlock, make your feet flat, and exhale slowly down, go back, now hold. 6, keep your elbows straight. 5, push your feet down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Keep your spine straight and put your hands down. Now start front bending. Okay, same. Your thigh muscle to hip, one line. Okay, 90 degree. Lift your toe up, place your hands here and simply head down, now hold. But if you cannot, keep your hands straight and head down. If you can, head down, now hold. 6, 5, pull your toe. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, look front. Now start side split here. But if you cannot, so bend your knee here. Okay, and move your foot like this and then place your hands up. But if you can, so keep your both knee straight here, make your feet flat, keep your both knees straight and hands up, now hold. 6, try to focus on your toe, pull your toe inside. 5, keep your both knees straight. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly down, catch here and head down. If you cannot, simply place your hands forward and head down. Okay, now here and head down, now hold. 6, 5, drop your elbow, move your body right side. 4, cannot do this one. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, look front, then simply up, move your left leg back. Okay, now start side plank. Place your left hand forward and make your both feet together like this. Okay, left leg down, right leg up. Twist your spine, place your right hand above your head and look up, now hold. 6, look front. 5, keep your both knees straight. 4, push your hip up. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then slowly down. Okay, now start shoulder movement here. Make your hands wider little bit here. Okay, now start chaturanga. Then take breathe. Inhale and exhale slowly. Put your chest down. Okay, move your hips forward. Little bit wider. Okay, parallel to the hip. If you cannot, simply down and hold. But if you can, put your chest and chin down and then slowly keep your knees straight, make your elbow together, now hold. 6, 5, hold on. 4, 3, Tight your both knee. 2 and 1. Down. Go to child pose. Okay. Relax your shoulder muscle. Then inhale, raise your hands up. And exhale, put your hands down. Now, open your legs like this. Now, simply second, bend your both knee. Okay. Now go to camel pose. So first, make your knee parallel to the hip like this. Okay. And also your feet. So first option, make your feet flat. Second option, lift your heel up. Third option, place your hands on your waist. Okay. Now choose according to your flexibility. If you can, try this one. If you cannot, try this one. And you have too much pain, so try this one and hold. Okay. So now, first make your feet flat. Place your hands forward. Take breathing inhale. And exhale. Place your both hands back. Here, first ankle, second one ankle. Okay. Then open your chest up. Look at your back side now. Hold. 6. 5. Keep your breathing normal. 4. Open your chest. Push your chest up. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, look front. Place your hands forward. Hands down. Okay. And make your feet like this. Make your knee together. Okay, but heel wider. And then slowly go back. Place your hands back, elbow down. Okay, and then slowly lie down like this and open your hands. Okay, bend your elbow and turn. But if you have knee ache, okay, so simply you have to do, keep your both knees straight. Okay, and then drop your elbow and then look up now, hold like this. Okay, if you can, bend your both knee, place your knee back. Okay, you also hand back, drop here, slowly down. Here, put your knee down, place your hands above your head and hold. 6, 5, put your shoulder down. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then open your hands and slowly open your legs like this. Okay, lie down here. Stretch your leg. Now start shoulder stand. Okay. Okay, look at me. First, lift your leg up. Okay, place your hands behind your hip and slowly lift your hip up and then place your hands under your, behind your back. Okay, like here, not on your hip. Okay, up here. Keep your elbow together and lift your up, not hold. 6, 2 spine straight. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And slowly go back here, down. But if you cannot, so push your hip down like this. Okay. If you can, so up and interlock your finger. Then slowly lift your hip up and hold on. 6, suck your belly in. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. And then slowly down. Okay. Open your hands here, open your legs and hands together. Now we'll do, open up your chest. Okay. What you have to do, if you can, place your hands behind your back and slowly put your head down here. Okay. Place your hands here forward and lift your both leg up. But If you cannot, so try this way. Drop your elbow, lift up your chest, and look at your back side. Okay, second option. Now, if you can, so try first option. Place your hands back, put your head down here, place your hands forward, and lift your leg up normally. 6, 5, keep your both knees straight. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly down. Open your head. Bend your knee, okay, hug your knee. Some relax your leg. And now slowly up here. Keep your spine straight or catch your toe and then slowly open up your legs. If you cannot, so bend, okay, and catch your ankle. Or you can use block to put behind like this, okay, behind your back, okay, to take support. But if you cannot, if you can, without block is okay. Now try this one. 6, keep your spine straight. 5, pull your legs back. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, then make your feet together here. Now make your feet together. Keep your spine straight. Now hold. 6, 5. Look at your toe. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, then slowly down. Now inhale, raise your hands up. And exhale slowly down here and put your head down. 6. Don't stretch your leg. Don't stretch your hand. Okay, just simply down and relax your head, hand and shoulder, hand, now legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale, raise your hands up. Twist your spine, place your right hand back and left hand on your right leg. Twist your spine, look at your back side, now hold. 6, keep your spine straight. 5, pull your belly in. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale, raise your hands up and exhale, place your right hand on your left thigh and place your left hand back, twist your spine, look at your back side, now hold. 6, 5, point to your toe. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale, raise your hands up and exhale, put your hands down. Okay, same. Bend your knee, keep your spine straight, place your hands here and close your eyes. Relax your shoulder. Now, open your eyes and thank you so much for watching. See you next video. Until then, keep applying, keep learning, keep applying, and be healthy. Hare Krishna.